Okay, going to have a look at this for the second lesson, the metric units. Centimetres, metres, centimetres, metres, kilometres. Put them in order. Going up, the numbers get smaller as the units get bigger. Divide by 10, divide by 100, divide by 1,000, and back, multiply them. Weight, milligrams, grams, kilogram, tons. As you go up, the numbers get smaller. The numbers get smaller because the units are getting bigger. So it's dividing and coming back, it's multiplying. Millimetres, centilitres, litres. As you go up, units get bigger, so numbers get smaller. So divide by 10, divide by 100, and so on. Convert the following. 7.5 litres to millilitres. So litres to millilitres, just the whole way back, times by 1,000. So it equals 7,500 millilitres. 8.7 centimetres to metres. If you look up there, centimetres to metres, you divide by 100. So it's 0.087 metres. The next one, centimetres squared to metres squared. This is more likely you're going to get. Centimetres to metres is divided by 100. Now, if you've got centimetres squared, it means you're dividing by 100 squared. Basically, you're dividing by 100 twice. So dividing by 100 brings you to there. Taking R2 back brings you there. 3.92 metres squared. The next one, a barrel's got a capacity of 150 litres. Now, the link between millilitres and centimetres cubed is this. 1 millilitre is 1 centimetre cubed. So first of all, put that into millilitres. So 150 litres is 150,000 millilitres. So basically I have here 150,000 centimetres cubed. The question says, how many cubic metres is this? So centimetres to metres is divided by 100. So I'm going to divide by 100 3 times because it's cubed. I'd write it as cubed or write it out 3 times, it doesn't matter. Divided by 100 once, twice, then 3 times, move your decimal point back twice. So 0.15 metre cubed. And the last question. A large cube has got sides of 3 metres. So I had to draw out to see what I'm doing. So 3 metres. It's filled up with smaller cubes, each of size 60 millimetres. So first of all, my units don't match. So I'm going to rewrite my 3 litres as 3,000 millimetres. So 3,000 millimetres, 3,000 millimetres. Each of these small cubes have got size 60. So I want to see how many I can fit in along the way. So if I take my 3,000 and I divide it by 60, take a naught off, 300 divided by 6, well, 30 divided by 6 is 5, and then naught divided by 6 is 0. So I can fit 50 cubes along the bottom, 50 cubes along the side, and I'll have 50 cubes up the height. So the number of cubes, 50 times 50 times 50, 25 times 5, 125, 0, 0, 0.